So obviously in this question we will be using sum of roots and products of roots and a Vieta's formula. So you can understand in this question you have to use Vieta's formula and trigonometry. So obviously if you need to find A, B, C, so you need to find the value of A. That is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots you need to find, okay? Getting my point? And you need to find value of B, that means sum taking two at a time, and you need to find the value of C, that means you need to find product of the roots, I mean product of this cos, okay? So let's discuss trigonometry first. Let's discuss trigonometry first. So do you know how to solve such question if you have cos 20 plus cos 40 degree plus cos 80 degree? So how you can add up if three angles and if you have three cos in a sum, if you have three cos in a sum, so what idea you will apply? How you can solve this one? What idea you will apply? Tell me. Here, Pragna, tell me what idea you will be applying here, how you can add these values. I mean, what you will be doing if the question is cos 20 plus cos 40 plus cos 80? I will take
Identity.
this that. Yes?
Identity.
Which identity you will apply?
I mean, formula cos A plus B.
Very good. Cos C plus D. Na? So whenever you will be getting cos sign in plus addition, na? In addition, so you'll be using cos C plus D, sin C plus D as per the requirement. You'll be using a formula. Okay. So what is the formula for that, Pragna? Yeah. So you have two angles C plus D by two and C minus D by two in the cos. So everything will be cos. Okay.
The
So
2
this is the
cos
formula.
plus
Remember? Good. So you'll be using this formula because you know the value of cos 60, so you can write directly half here. Cos 60 that means root 3 over 2. No? So you can write this value directly, and if you can use these two values, okay?
But cos 60 is 1 by 2.
So this will become what? Cos 20 plus 40. So you can write 20 plus 40, 60 by 2, 30. So it becomes 2 multiply cos 30. Hai. And 40 minus 20 you can write cos 10. Okay, like that. Plus root 3 by 2 plus cos 80. Like that you can solve. Getting my point? So
Yes.
now cos 30 is half. So half will get cancelled. So it becomes cos 10 plus cos 80 plus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now you can again apply cos C plus cos D. Okay. So like that you have to solve such identities. Getting my point? So we'll be solving directly this question, है ना? You will be solving directly this question. Will be using this method, है ना? So when you will be find the value of A, that means sum of these three angles, you will be using cos C plus cos D. Very easy to understand. This question is very tough, Anna, but if you know the concept, you have solved all such questions, so you can easily understand what you need to apply. So that is why we solve like examples and such basic questions. Okay. Okay. Suppose if you have this cos 20 multiply cos 40 multiply cos 60 multiply cos 80. So in this question, what you will be applying? What we can apply in this question, tell me. If there is a products of like cos A, cos B, cos C, cos D, what we can apply? What is the formula in which you will be getting cos A, cos B? Which formula where you will be getting cos A, cos B?
cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
Yeah, very good. So you'll be applying this formula, hai? Very obvious, okay? So here you need to apply this formula. So whenever you have product, you need to apply this formula, okay? So easily you can write this thing. So here you know the value of cos 60, so you can directly write what? Cos 60 is half, sorry, cos 60 is half. No, sine 30 is half and cos 60 is also half. So here it is half, it is become half. Sine 30 is become root 3, so it become root 3. So in that manner you can solve, okay? So here cos 60, you know the values, so it become half. Now you can take any two angle together, and any two angle, if you take 20 and 40, so you can take 20 40 together. So you can write 2 over 2 multiply cos 20 multiply cos 40 multiply cos 80. Clear? So here you can write 1 over 4 multiply. Getting the idea or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So this type of question will be getting in like triple E also, and CET, KET like that, है ना, also will be getting. So a very important question, है ना, and you will be using a lot of. So we are doing directly important application, not there, because trigonometry is a very like vast topic, है ना. If we need to do, we'll be spending a lot of time. Okay, here. Okay, so 2 cos 20 into cos 40, you can apply this. Na? So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So it become what? Cos A plus B will become 60. A minus B will become what? Cos 20. Okay. Again, you can write the value of cos 60, that is half. And cos 80 you can multiply inside. So it become cos 80 upon 2 plus cos 80 into cos 20. Getting my point? Getting the idea? Solving such question?
Yes.
Yes.
So it become 1 over 4. So you multiply here 2 and 2, like that you can do. So again you can apply the formula 2 cos A cos B. So it become cos A plus B will become what? 100, 80 plus 20, है plus cos A minus B will become cos 60, 60 minus 20 divided by 2. So cos 60 is 1 by 2, so it will become 1 by 4 again. So cos 60 you can write what? Half and half, 1 by 4. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes.
So if you so you can write it like, you can take 1 by 2 common, no, 1 by 2 common, so it become 1 by 8 cos 80 plus cos 100 plus 1 by 4 multiply 1 by 4 will become 1 by 60. I think you are getting it, no? So tell me what should become cos 100 plus cos 80 plus cos 100, what it should become, tell me.
So 2 into cos 90 into cos 10
No.
will be 0.
Because 100 and 180, 100 and 180 are complementary, okay? 180 will become complementary, है ना? So uh, cos 100 or cos 80, anything you can change. So cos 80 you can write cos 180 minus 100, cos 180 minus theta become minus cos theta. Getting my point?
Yes.
So cos 80 you can write minus cos 100, or cos 100 you can write minus cos 80. So it becomes 0. Very good question, no? So we are getting directly 1 upon 16, okay? So in such questions there is like there is always there is a method. Okay, I mean, if you have like four values, so you'll be mostly getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 16. There is a short trick. Okay, if you have four values, है so directly you'll be getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, है and there is another formula. We'll discuss this formula in detail later on. We'll discuss this formula. Like if you write like this, cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta into cos theta. Okay, so it become cos 3 theta by 8 or cos 3 theta upon 2 cube, like that. Getting my point? So there is a formula we can discuss. A proof of this formula uh, you can do in that manner. Okay, and there is another proof also. There is another proof also. We will be like learning the sequence of sine cos later on. If not needed actually, है ना? If you want to learn the advanced thing, we can. So in that manner also you can prove this formula. So this is very like advanced formula and very good formula, है that can be reduce your work. That can reduce your work. Okay. So here theta will become 20, है So you know the value of cos 60, so you can remove the cos 60 from the quotient. So using that method, I can solve quickly this question, Quickly, So suppose if I have a quotient cos 20 multiply cos 40 multiply cos 60 multiply cos 80. So cos quotient is what? Quotient I have cos 20 multiply cos 60 multiply cos 80 multiply cos 40. The 40 we can write it. We can arrange it and write also. 20 then 40 then 60 then 80. So we know the value of 60. So we'll quickly write the value of 60. Okay. Okay. So if you want to solve this question, so you'll substitute the value of cos 60. So it become what? 1 by 2 value of cos 60. Now you have this question cos 20, okay, cos 40 and cos 80. So you can easily relate this question with this formula, I hope. I think you understand, because if theta become 20, so 60 minus 20 become 40 and 60 plus 20 become 80. Getting my point? If theta become 20, so 60 minus 20 will become, so using that formula, you can directly write cos 3 theta. So cos 3 into 20 become cos 60 divided by 8. Anna? And 1 by 2 you have already. Oh, sorry, it should become 4, no? To the power n minus 1, the series will be using here. So it become 4. Sorry, it become 4. Cos 3 theta upon 4 is a formula. It become 4. Cos 60 become half. So overall it become 1 upon 16. Okay. So now using the formula you can solve quickly. Getting it? We have same formula in sine and tan also. We'll be giving that formula. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so if you understand those concepts, because formula we already covered, so formula we know, and how to apply formula if you know according to the question. So this question is not a tough question, है ना? So knowing basic is very important before solving such question. Okay. So this question is not a big deal, I think. Getting my point? So first of all, what you'll be doing? First of all, what you'll be doing? You'll be writing the sum of roots. Okay. So sum of roots of this polynomial will become minus a minus b minus a. Getting my point? Anna?
Yes.
And
Yes.
roots are cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 6 pi by 7. So Okay. So can we use that formula cos theta cos 60? Can we apply that formula cos theta? So you have to check 60 degree, no? So 60 degree is what? Pi by
3.
3, very good. So pi by 3. And so you can write pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 7 if you are getting, है. So it become pi by 21. We don't have pi by 21, no? No? So we can't apply this thing here. What we can do? So we can apply that C plus D formula. Na? So apply C plus D formula quickly and let me know what should it become. Okay, so you can take any two values, okay? So you can take any two values and apply. If you take these two values, so it becomes C plus D, that means was 4 pi, 4 plus 2, 6 pi divided by 2, 3 pi by 7. So it becomes cos 3 pi by 7, okay? Cos C plus D multiply cos C minus D. So that will become cos pi by 7, I think. Correct?
Yes.
So if we take these two, okay, so we can apply pi minus 6 pi by 7, so that will become pi by 7. So this and this will become same. Okay, so that you can think. Now, cos 6 pi by 7 will become 180 minus theta if you apply. So cos 6 pi by 7 will become minus cos pi by 7, cos 180 minus theta. Or even you can take these two, even you can take these two, so it becomes cos 4 pi by 7 and cos 4 pi by 7 will become common. Also you can, so there is a lot of way, there is a lot of way, any way you can apply. So if you apply C plus D formula in these two angle, okay, that also we can do, okay. And no worry, if you're applying in first two row, then also you can take common, but you need to change one, you need to apply the 180 minus theta, okay. So you have to apply this formula cos C plus cos D, that is 2 cos C plus D over 2 cos C minus D over 2, okay. So in this question we have a lot of question, okay, actually that is why I'm taking this question now. So if you apply in these two, so it become 8 pi divided by 2, 4 pi. I hope you understand what I'm doing, no? And 3 pi, okay. So 6 minus 2 will become 4 pi, so it become cos 2 pi by 7. Is it correct, Pragna? Is it correct, Pragna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you can take cos 4 pi by 7 as a common. So it become 2 cos 2 pi by 7 plus 1. So do you know what formula we can apply here?
2 cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 0.
Cos 0. Anything else?
So 2 cos square A.
2 cos.
2 cos
चलो ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग इसको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, जनरल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है ना. सो applying general trigonometry will taking time, so we'll be using the formula, okay. So here we have formula, what we have series, okay, like arithmetic sequence type formula. Suppose if you have sine A plus sine A plus D, okay, plus this formula also you can use. So there is a lot of formula in trigonometry, okay, like that if you have, okay. So till n terms, n terms, so last angle will become the nth term of arithmetic progression a plus d will become a plus n minus 1 times d. Getting my point?
Yes.
Getting, Pragna, Mihir?
Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
will
sir.
become sine n d by 2. So d is what? Common difference, है ना, divided by sine d by 2. Okay, and multiply sine the sum, the last term a plus n minus 1, but here it will become d by 2. Okay, like that. Getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. So again I'll write this formula. So if you have this type of sum, so you'll be getting sine n times d divided by 2 divided whole divide sine d by 2, and now multiply sine what? You'll be getting the same thing, the last term, है ना? So last term is what? A plus n minus 1, but you will be having d by 2 here, d by 2, that's it. Getting my point? So same formula you'll be having in cos also, you'll be having in cos also. Suppose you'll be writing cos A plus cos A plus D, okay, plus cos A plus 2D. So arithmetic progression with the cos, so cos A plus n minus 1 times D, okay, okay. So the same formula, but the formula will be same, sine, you'll be getting sine n d by 2. So because this is a unique formula, so you'll be not getting any confusion in this formula. So we do not need to tag any story, है ना? We do not need to tag any story in such formula. So what we can do, we can directly write sine. So here in the cos formula, in sine formula, this is sine and this is sine. In cos formula, this is sine, है ना? And this sine formula, this in cos formula, in sine formula, this is sine. In cos formula, this become cos. That is a different only. Getting my point?
Yes.
Sir,
So
so that
here,
sine nd by 2 remains sine nd by, it doesn't become cos.
yeah, it is only sine, है ना? In both formula, it becomes same. This part becomes same in both formula. Okay. So you can apply that formula also. Na? You can solve here from, if you're not getting any idea how we can getting sum from here, so you can apply this formula also. So if you apply, and if you know the complex number, so it's just a sum of roots of a complex number, na, of a degree 6. So it is very easy, na? But because we are not using complex number here, so we can apply that formula also. So if you apply that formula, so A is what here? A is 2 pi over 7, the first term, and D is what? Also you are adding 2 pi 7, है ना? Okay. So number of terms is 3. Number of terms is 3. So your answer will become sine 3 multiply d by 2. So 2 pi 7 by 2, I think it become like 14, no? Divided by sine d by 2. So it become pi over 7. Correct? Multiply cos. So a plus n minus 1 d by 2. So a is what here? 2 pi by 7. N minus 2 will become 2. Because 3 terms. And d by 2 is pi by 7. Okay? So it becomes 4 pi by 7. No, 4 pi, cos 4 pi by 7. So the overall it becomes sine. It become what? 7. So cos 3, sine 3 pi by 7 into cos 4 by 7 divided by sine pi by 7. Okay. Okay. So you can apply sine 90 minus theta. So pi by 2. Pi by 40 and become. So we'll be getting these only, no?
Oh.
Okay. So now what you'll be doing? Now you'll be solving this thing multiplying 2 and 2. So again you can apply the formula 2 sine into cos, 2 sine into cos. So what formula you can apply here? So you can apply formula 2, what, 2, okay, 2 cos A sine B. What is the formula for 2 cos A sine B? 2 cos A
2
sine
cos,
B.
2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B.
Very good. Very good. So you can apply this formula here, okay? So it becomes sine A plus B. That means 3 pi 7 plus 4 pi 7. 7 pi by 7 sine pi minus A minus B will become sine pi over 7, okay? Divided by 2 sine pi over 7. So sine pi, what is the value of sine pi? Is just equivalent to sine 0. So it becomes 0. 0 minus sine pi over 7 divided by 2 sine pi over 7. Okay. So sine 180 is minus 0. Okay. So it become minus half. Okay. So minus the minus a, sum of root was minus a. So minus a is minus half. So a will become half. है
So
So
that formula it should be plus sine A plus B plus sine A minus B.
no. So if you are writing this, na 2 sine a cos b, and mostly like greater angle we consider a. So bigger angle is 4 pi by 7. So that will consider a. Okay. So sine a cos b will become sine a plus b plus sine. That's different. Na? That is the only difference. That is why you are getting confused. Okay. So the value of a is become half using the sum of root. Then value of b you can find now. Hai na? So value of b you can find. Hai na? So value of b will become sum taking 2 at a time. Sum taking 2 at a time. Using. Hai na? Using the Vito's formula. So it will become sum taking 2 at a time. That means what? Like cos 2 pi over 7. Again the question is like big. You can do. Tell me what you can do. Can you solve? You can solve it by taking common directly, or you can directly apply like cos a cos b. Directly you can directly apply cos a cos b. You can multiply 2. If you take common, so you need to apply c plus d in both way. You can do. 2 like that you can do. And directly apply like what cos a 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b is what? Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. No. So if you apply cos a plus b, now 2 cos a cos b, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So it become cos 6 pi by 7, 4 plus 2, and a plus cos 2 pi plus 4 pi, 2 pi, 2, it become 2 pi by 7 plus cos chacher 5 pi by 7. No, not 5 pi by 7, 10 pi by 7. Okay. A plus b and a minus b. Getting my point?
Yes.
2 pi by 7 again. And again here you'll be getting what? Cos 2 pi by 7 and 8 pi by 7. Now you can like apply what reduction formula, na, cos 180 minus theta. So you can apply cos pi minus like cos pi minus pi by 7 will become cos 6 pi by 7. So it become cos pi by 7 minus cos pi by 7. And this become minus cos 3 pi by 7. And this become minus cos 1 minus 80. So I'm solving this one now. Okay. So here, okay, so this will become 4 pi 7 or 4 pi 7. So actually this is 2 times 2 pi 7. So 2 times 2 pi 7 you can write this one and this one. Plus it will become what? Now you can see here cos 4 pi 7 and cos 10 pi by 7. And it will 10 pi by 7 plus 4 pi by 7 will become 14 pi by 7. So 2 pi reflex, it become reflex now. So you can apply cos 2 pi cos 360 minus theta, anything. If you apply 10 pi by 7, so it become 4 pi by 7, so it become cos 4 pi by 7. Getting my point? So 10 pi cos 10 pi by 7 you can write cos 4 pi 7, है ना? So cos 10 pi by 7 you can write cos 4 pi by 7. So cos 4 by 7 cos 4